मजलिस-ए-इत्तेहाद-उल-मुस्लिमीन के रुकन पार्लियामेंट असदुद्दीन अवैसी ने कहा कि वक्फ जायदादें अवामी मिल्कियत नहीं हैं। वक्फ जायदाद से मुराद मस्जिद और दरगाह की जगह है। हुकूमत कह रही है कि हम खवातीन को मेंबर बनाएंगे। क्या वो बिल्किस बानो को भी मेंबर बनाएंगे? ये हुकूमत मुसलमानों की दुश्मन है।
Sir, I have given a notice under Rule 72 to oppose the Waqf Amendment Bill. Sir, I oppose the introduction of the bill under Rule 72(2) on the grounds that this House does not have the competence to make these amendments. This bill patently violates the principles provided in Article 14, 15 and 25. Sir, it is both discriminatory, arbitrary. It is a grave attack on the basic structure of the Constitution as it violates the principle of judicial independence, separation of powers. Sir, one thing has to be understood, that the Waqf management of a property is an essential religious practice for a Muslim. Will their property or dispose it. But what is Islam for 5 years? सर एक 2 मिनट दिए, सबको दिया आप। अगर कल कोई आके बोलेगा कि नहीं मैं 5 साल से इस्लाम प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहा हूं, कौन डिसाइड करेगा सर? और एक न्यू कन्वर्ट है, does he has to wait for 5 years to give his property to Waqf? Isn't that violation of right to freedom of religion? Sir, another point, sir. Now, no such provision exists for Hindu endowment or Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee. Now, irony of the amendment, sir, is that non-Muslims can become member of CWC, SWB, but he cannot dedicate Waqf. Arbitrariness. Why is arbitrariness? Sir, existing law protected the status of registered Waqf properties. You have replaced that by empowering collector to determine title. You are violating principle of rights of justice, that one may not be a judge in their own cause. Section 61. If DOM says to Mutawalli, make this masjid as a government property, if does not listen, punishable offence. This is against separation of powers, part of which is basic structure. This bill excludes tribunal decisions from being final. If collector has been secondary level officers can be appointed technical members. 83 states that joint secretary added tribunal. Waqf properties, sir, are not public properties. By removing Waqf by user, this government wants to take over Dargah, Masjid and